But with this, all this, powerful features, is it complicated to use?
Okay, so actually, Halo gives you a lot of guides. It's kind of a software suite, right? So it has contain lot of data flow compiler, and also some kind of model SU, the rich model repository you can go through with that, right? For different vision based tasks, right? And also they give some kind of runtime inference as well. So all those things it makes much more easy, but you know that our
It sounds like a comprehensive tool chain, isn't it?
yes, comprehensive, yes. And our development team has made a kind of a guide, a zero to hero AI course.
Okay.
Okay, so anyone can be a master of AI
Okay.
with this course. Okay.
Okay.
So so it's actually beginner friendly. So
Okay.
everyone can start it with zero knowledge. Okay.
Can I see it if it's from 0 to hero?
Yes. Let's go to the.
Okay,
yeah.
switch to your screen.
Yeah.
Okay.
Right. This is our course, right? Right. So we will put the link on our comment section, I think.
Okay.
Yeah. So I would like to ask our spectators to come and play around with this course. So yeah, yes. What's your problem now? It's a kind of but.
Okay. Yeah, chapter 3. Okay. CV projects and practical application. How about we run some applications if you already got some here?
So okay. So everything in the what do you call that in our course guideline has detail explained, and you need to install some kind of tools before you run these models.
Okay.
Right? So after that, if you properly install your models, the tools. So within a single line code, you can play around. So for example, so I'm going to run a detection model, right? Detection model, and you can see the source is 0. 0 means which means we are using now is the USB cam.
I see.
Yeah.
So if you switch to let's say source 1, then that's another camera source.
Camera source. Yes.
I see.
Yeah. So let me run. Right. So like that, you can run the models.
Okay. Chair, person, laptop. Okay.
Yeah.
Then, can you change the source
Yeah.
or like change a new model?
Models. Yeah, I think that's better to change with new models.
Okay.
Let me run one. So, how about pose?
Okay.
Pose estimation. Okay.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Right. Pose estimation. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Here.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's almost you can feel that it's kind of real time.
That's very intuitive.
Yes.